What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the best keyboard shortcuts for Google Docs. So using these shortcuts will make your work a lot more efficient and save a lot of your time. So first, I'm going to start off with some of the basic ones and then go to the more complicated ones towards the end of the video. And I've put the timestamps for all of them in the description so you can check it out from there. And one thing which you need to note is that the control key in Windows is same as the command key in Mac. So if you're a Mac user, then every time I've said control, it basically means command. So let's get started. So in my opinion, there are 5 shortcuts which everybody must know, irrespective of the software they're using. These are 5 of the universal ones. The first one being Control C, which is to copy. So for this, you just go to select the text that you want to copy, click on Control C, and then it's copied to clipboard. After that, to paste, the shortcut is Control V. And as you can see, it's gotten pasted. The third one is Control X, which is cut. So cut is similar to copy, but all that it will do is remove the original line. So again, I'll select the line. Now I'll do Control X and then do Control V. And now as you can see, the line has been removed from here. After that, the next one is Control Z, which is to undo. And then if you want to redo, just click on Control, Shift and Z. So 5 of these are the basic ones. Now the next shortcut is Control A. And what this does is that it'll select all of the text on the page. So let's say I press Control A. As you can see, all of the text has gotten selected. So now if I want to copy it, cut it, delete it, it'll just make it much easier. After this, the next one, which is my personal favorite, is Control Delete. So basically what this does is that it'll delete each word at a time. So if I press Control Delete, as you can see, the entire word apps went. So earlier, if you didn't know the shortcut, you'll have to press backspace for every letter. But now just by pressing Control Delete, you can remove the entire word and it'll save a lot of your time. Now the next shortcuts are to format text. So I'll show you how it works. The first one is Control B, and this is to make the text bold. So first what you've got to do is select the entire line. And then if you want to make it bold, just press Control B. And as you can see, it's become bold. And to unbold it, click on Control B again. The next one is Control I, and this is for italics. So as you can see, it's changed to italics. And the last one is Control U, and this is to underline the text. So all 3 of these are to format text. The next one is extremely helpful for people that write essays. And the shortcut is Control, Shift and C. And this is used to get a word count at the bottom left. So I'll just press Control, Shift and C. After that, it'll show me the number of pages, the words, characters. And then just select this box over here and click on OK. And now as you can see, the words are showing here. The next one is Control F. And this is used to find text in your document. So let's say you have an extremely long document and you're looking for a particular word. What you can do is just click on Control F. After that, search for that word. So if I'm looking for the word tutorials, I can just type that in. And over here, as you can see, the word tutorials has gotten highlighted in green. And the last one is to increase and decrease the font size. So for this, just select the text whose font you want to change. So you'll have to click on Control, Shift, and then click on the greater than symbol to increase the size and the less than symbol to decrease it. So now I'll click on the greater than symbol, and as you can see, the font is increasing. And to decrease it, I'll just click on the less than symbol. These are all of the keyboard shortcuts which help me whilst using Google Docs. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.